Well, I think it affords us the opportunity to interact one-on-one with some of the superintendents or distributor reps and impart a little better product knowledge about our portfolio and answer questions that they may have. Yeah, it started back in 2014. I started playing with different ratios of the 3 active ingredients. It's been in the market now for 3 years. It's growing rapidly in market share. It's one of the most comprehensive herbicides for all southern turfs, or the 4 major southern turfs: centipede, St. Augustine, zoysia, and Bermuda grass. Well, it's good, first off, because of 3 different active ingredients and different modes of action. It certainly checks the box on resistant management or prevention on a lot of weeds that it controls. It also is it's more of a pre-emergent herbicide, but it has a pretty nice and a pretty important post-emergent spectrum, including sedges and Virginia buttonweed and doveweed, along with a really broad and extensive pre-emergent weed spectrum. And at the high rate, it can last up to 4, 5, 6 months, depending on the weather patterns. They really like it. It's a good POA material. It has a good spectrum of broadleaf weeds and grassy weeds. It's a long duration product. You're familiar with the product Spectacle, and it's probably the only product on the market that you can rotate between those 2 and not really see a difference in terms of duration of control and pre-emergent control. A little bit different weed spectrum, but they both check the boxes on all the key weeds. So everyone should be rotating from resistance management standpoint, and those 2 rotate well against each other. Completely different modes of action.